So this is my brand new Looptimus Mini I just purchased from loopcommunity.com. It's a very high quality product item, and it's a stomp box with 3 switches. The only problem is my foot is absolutely too big to operate this thing, so I'm going to have to hack it. Just a shout out to Matt McCoy and the folks at loopcommunity.com. You guys are amazing, and you've changed the way that we do worship in churches across America. So what I've done is I've taken the insides out of my Looptimus Mini, being careful not to crimp any wires or mess anything up. So what I did is I took this old stomp box that I had laying around, and I'm going to hack it and use it because it's wide enough for my foot. So the first thing I did was I took all the insides out of this old stomp box, and I took the stuff from inside the Looptimus, and I measured out where everything was going to go. I marked some places where my holes were going to go for the USB switch and for the expression pedal. And then I cut a ginormous hole. It's way too big, but we'll fix that in a minute. The Looptimus Mini only has 3 switches, so this 4th one is just a dummy switch, just for looks. Then I took a hot glue gun and I made sure everything was secured in place. Don't want anything moving around and getting cut or crimped. So I took the back side and then I took some silver tape and I taped up that big giant hole, so looks a whole lot better. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Got my Looptimus here. My homemade Looptimus, kind of. So here's to hoping that it actually recognizes the MIDI once I plug it in. I see the Loop Community symbol right there. So let's go ahead and go into the MIDI mode. And let's tell it to start and stop. Here we go. Okay, then we're going to do a stop. And then I'm going to use my 3rd one to do advance song forward. Yay, yay. And this one, of course, is a dummy one. It's not hooked up to anything. So here we go.
Intro 2, 3, 4. Intro 2, 3,
4. Oh, one other thing. I did buy a expression pedal. A better shot of it. That's an in-gear expression pedal. So let me see if it works when I hook it up to here. Okay, I just hooked up my in-gear expression pedal right here. Right now it's not doing anything. I think maybe I've got to MIDI map it. So let's tell it this is the volume. Okay, and let's get out of here. See what happens. I have master volume. Yay. Okay. Anyway, this is just my special little project, and hope you like it.